Johnny gets a pair of skates, Susie gets a doll, Nellie wants a storybook, Monica wants it all. What a guy.
The first night went pretty wonderful. I'm feeling pretty great. But I have to say, dear Santa Claus has put on a little weight.
No kidding, I thought it seemed too heavy too. I know we weighed boxes, but somehow here, Santa's life was like a load of rocks.
Well now, I know what Santa needs. I know what he might like. For Christmas this year, let's pitch in and get him an exercise bike.
Yes,
Okay,
excellent.
fellas, I'm ready to go. Just help me get over this slip. I'll go
She
in
can't
first,
wave,
then
she
hand
can't.
me my safe, down the chimney, I'll slip.
I don't know, Chief. That chimney looks tight. Are you supposed to wait?
Risk my foot. Don't be silly. Don't you know this isn't my very first time when my little black set swung over my head down the chimney off my head?
I don't know.
Well, it does seem a wee bit snug. It feels as tight as a glove. Come on, you two, don't sit there. Give this old fellow a shove.
What's up, fellas? What's pretty late? It's almost 8:30. We gotta stay on set schedule. Santa cake and late. Santa's stuck in the chimney. Stuck as he can be. Can you see if one of you can help set him free? Santa's stuck in the chimney. Well, that's bad. What are we to do? Santa's stuck in the chimney, homie. He caught the flu. Get it? Like the chimney flu? Get it?
Ho, ho, ho. That's very funny. You always make me chuckle, but this is no time for silly jokes. I'm stuck right up to my boat.
Yeah, well, we have to move along. Santa's stuck in it. Isn't it sad? do. My nose can go. Grab an elbow, grab an arm, get a decent grip. Careful not to do him harm, careful not to slip. Mom. Ow! Maybe if we got a stick, we can poke him out. Maybe if we can smoke him out.
Are you crazy? One of us was small enough we could push for the ball. If one of us was small enough up the chimney we could go.
If only that little reindeer had come along today, she'd be the right size as best she could have saved the day. What did I hear? What was that? You can't go over to the other side of the box and take a look in there. She's alive!
Papa, I want to go home now.
Well, what have we here? Finding a sleigh. Looks to me we caught ourselves a little stowaway.
Hold on, everybody. Have you forgotten about me? Everybody arguing will never get me free.
She's right. We've got to think and come up with some tricks. We've got to get our heads on straight and free him from this fix.
Just leave everything to me. I think I have a plan. I'll just pick up from down below and push up on the man.
You mean you climb right up the flue and push up from the bottom?
You do what none of us can do and shove until we got it.
Of course I will. I'm not afraid. I'll try to set things right. Come on, Rudolph. You're with me. I'll need your nose for light.
I can't believe I'm in. I can't believe I'm in this mess. I can't believe this pickle. Oops, I think she made it to the top. Something's starting to tickle.
Here we go. I'm ready to push. Give it all you got. I'm in the chimney after all, and it's getting rather hot. 1, 2, 3, pull!
She's alive!
What you looking at, guys?
She's alive!
Liz Ranger, after all, you really did come through. You have really saved this holiday. That's all you can do.
You really have a special gift. Now what I say is true. And each of us to celebrate the things that make you, you.
Where are we going?